Hello and welcome to my channel Mayura. I'm Kevin. Today I'll guide you through 100 affirmations for loving kindness. You can either repeat these affirmations aloud or silently in your mind, or you can just listen and absorb the affirmations. Let's begin. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I am worthy of love, joy, and kindness. I treat myself with gentle compassion every day. Love flows freely through me and from me. My heart is open to giving and receiving love. I embrace my flaws and imperfections with kindness. I am my own best friend, always kind and understanding. I release all self-judgment and replace it with love. My inner voice speaks words of encouragement and care. I deserve kindness, respect, and love. I send love and peace to all beings everywhere. I greet each person with a heart full of kindness. I see the beauty and goodness in everyone I meet. I offer love freely without expectation. Compassion flows from me effortlessly. I treat others the way I wish to be treated. I choose to respond with love in all situations. I listen with an open heart and kind intentions. I forgive easily and release all resentment. I uplift others with my words and actions. I let go of past hurts and embrace peace. Love heals all wounds, and I am willing to heal. I forgive myself and others with ease and grace. Each day I choose peace over conflict. I release anger and replace it with understanding. I send love to those who have hurt me, and I am free. Forgiveness is a gift I give myself. I allow love to wash away all pain. My heart is light, open, and forgiving. I am at peace with my past, present, and future. I see the world through the lens of love and kindness. I am grateful for the kindness I receive every day. Every act of kindness I give returns to me multiplied. My heart is overflowing with gratitude and compassion. I appreciate the love that surrounds me. I express kindness in my thoughts, words, and actions. I choose to see the good in all people and situations. I give thanks for the endless love in my life. My kindness ripples out and creates a better world. I celebrate the goodness in myself and others. My relationships are filled with love and kindness. I communicate with love, honesty, and respect. I attract loving and kind people into my life. I create harmony in all my relationships. I am surrounded by people who uplift and support me. I give love freely and it returns to me in abundance. I choose love over fear in all interactions. I see the divine light in everyone I meet. My heart radiates warmth and kindness to all. I am patient, understanding, and compassionate. Love and kindness are my guiding principles. I send love to all beings near and far. I am a channel for divine love and peace. The more love I give, the more love I receive. I see every challenge as an opportunity to love more. My loving thoughts create a more peaceful world. I bless the world with my kindness and presence. I am here to spread joy, peace, and love. Love is the most powerful force, and I embody it fully. I radiate love to every corner of the planet. Today I choose kindness in all that I do. My heart is open to love and new possibilities. I begin this day with a grateful and loving heart. I carry peace with me wherever I go. Every breath fills me with kindness and compassion. Today I let love guide all of my choices. I wake up feeling grateful for the love in my life. My day unfolds with love, ease, and grace. Love flows effortlessly into all areas of my life. I am a beacon of kindness and warmth today. I release the day with love and gratitude. I forgive myself and others as I rest in peace. My heart is filled with love as I drift into sleep. I am thankful for the love I gave and received today. I send love to everyone I encountered today. I go to sleep knowing I am loved and supported. My dreams are filled with peace and loving energy. I let go of all worries and embrace serenity. As I rest, love renews and restores my being. I sleep in the arms of love, knowing all is well. Love is my natural state, and I return to it with ease. I attract kindness and love effortlessly. The universe supports me in spreading love and joy. Love and kindness are drawn to me in abundance. I am a magnet for peaceful and loving experiences. Everywhere I go, love surrounds me. I radiate love, and love returns to me multiplied. I am always divinely guided by love. My heart overflows with joy, love, and kindness. I see proof of love and kindness in every moment. Love is stronger than any fear or pain. Even in difficult moments, I choose kindness. My heart remains open even when challenged. I trust that love will guide me through any storm. Every experience is an opportunity to deepen my love. I am kind to myself even when things feel hard. Love heals me and carries me through. I trust that everything is unfolding with love. I am never alone. Love is always with me. No matter what, I choose love over fear. Let these affirmations fill your heart with warmth and compassion, and return to them daily to cultivate loving kindness towards yourself and others. Subscribe to my channel for more wellness content. Namaste.